Imagine a life where money flows in while you sleep, where you're free from the 9-to-5 grind, and your online business generates wealth that changes your family's future. This isn't a pipe dream, it's the power of Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0, the ultimate guide to building a thriving online business and creating passive income streams that set you free. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why this ebook is the best wealth creation tool you'll ever need to transform your life. Ready to take charge of your financial destiny? Let's jump in. The old ways of making money are dead. Long hours at a desk, trading time for a paycheck that barely covers the bills. It's a trap. Today, wealth is built online, where anyone with a laptop and a plan can create a multi-million-dollar empire. But without the right guide, you're just spinning your wheels. That's where Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 shines. This isn't some generic get-rich-quick scheme. It's a 250-page master plan written by battle-tested entrepreneurs who've built 7- and 8-figure businesses from scratch. It's your step-by-step roadmap to success, whether you're starting with nothing or scaling up. Don't wait another day to break free. Grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 now and start building your online empire. Click the link in the description or check my bio to get your copy today. What makes this ebook the best? It's packed with actionable strategies that work in 2025's digital economy. You'll learn how to pinpoint high-profit niches that dominate markets like e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Discover how to create passive income streams. Think automated sales funnels and viral content that keep earning while you focus on living. The blueprint teaches you to leverage cutting-edge tools like AI-driven ads and TikTok trends to skyrocket your growth. Plus, it shows you how to avoid costly pitfalls, saving you time and money. From setting up your first online store to scaling to millions, every chapter is a goldmine of practical advice. Your wealth journey starts now. Click the link in the description or visit my bio to get Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and unlock your financial freedom today. Real people are seeing real results. Take Emma, a part-time barista who used this blueprint to launch a dropshipping business, now earning $150,000 a month from her home office. Or Malik, a dad who followed the ebook's affiliate marketing strategies to hit $2 million in revenue last year, all while working remotely. These aren't anomalies, they're proof of what's possible when you follow a proven system. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 breaks down complex ideas into simple steps, so whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can start making money fast. It's not just about income, it's about building a business that runs itself, giving you time for what matters most. Why wait to join them? Get Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 now. Click the link in the description or check my bio to start your success story. The digital world waits for no one. Social media platforms evolve, algorithms shift, and new opportunities, like Web3 and NFT marketplaces, emerge daily. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 keeps you ahead of the curve with up-to-date strategies tailored for 2025. Learn how to turn followers into customers, clicks into cash, and ideas into empires. This ebook isn't just about wealth, it's about freedom to travel, to spend mornings with your kids, to live without a boss. Thousands are already using it to build passive income streams that let them work smarter, not harder. You don't need a degree or tech skills, just the right guide and the guts to act. Don't let opportunity slip away. Click the link in the description or my bio to grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and start building your empire now. This is your moment. For less than a dinner out, Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 gives you the tools to create a life of abundance. It's the best wealth creation guide because it's real, practical, and proven. From your first sale to your first million, this ebook is with you every step. Click the link in the description or visit my bio to get your copy of Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 today. Your future self will thank you. Let's build that passive income empire now.